If we look at the market that we work in with the Carrick Wealth side, which is primarily looking at the senior executives of quite large multinationals, there's personally I've seen a larger increase of the women or females in power, highly educated coming through and competing on those levels, and it's rightfully so. And it's something that's needed on an international level. Finance can be seen as a man's world, but it's a highly likely factor.
But what does that mean for the wealth management industry? Does one need to really understand the behavioral psyche of what women will be looking for from their wealth managers?
I think it just comes down to the fact that you need to know your clients. And I think, looking towards 2020, it's going to be the fact of a more educated consumer and factors of understanding Uncle Google. But if we look forward to the client's needs, it really is about those conversations, transparency, honesty. It's about just sitting down with somebody and actually really just having those tough conversations. And I don't think it's a separation between males or females. It's just about, from our perspective as well, and where we're seeing it is, it's really about sitting down and understanding where a client is, where they want to go towards, and actually putting that blueprint together, not just an indicator of where they'd like to be in 5 years and work out a kind of just a fund analysis. I'd rather say it's looking at a holistic picture. So I wouldn't separate and looking at the psyche, because if you just sit with a client and ask them what they need and what they want, they'll tell you. Mm. And then you can work with them that and the experience, and also leveraging off some of the top global institutions, investments that we use. That, I think, is more of a factor than trying to understand, go into the psychology and try and use the guess factor.